therapy, and also in various skincare, hair care products and cosmetics. Also, essential oils are a little bit expensive because of its raw form and the extraction method. It takes a lot of effort, so as it is expensive. Since its potency is high, it cannot be used directly on the skin or hair because it can burn, but when used after mixing with other oils, it can provide the benefits. So in this video I would like to share some most familiar oils and its benefits. These are with me and I am currently using it. While using essential oils or while buying essential oils, you need to check if it's pure and produced organic way. Check the list and it has any preservatives, you will come to know. I'm showing you most familiar 4 essential oils in this video. You can see how to use them for your hair and skin. Oil. The one I am showing is from the brand Organic Harvest. Lavender essential oil is one of the most popular essential oil extracted from the lavender plant. It is antifungal, anti-inflammatory and antidepressant. It reduces anxiety, reduces wrinkles and acne on face, helps in maintaining skin balance, reduces hair fall and dandruff. The best use of this oil is that it helps with insomnia. The people who are struggling to get into sleep can use this oil. They can inhale the aroma of it or just apply 2 drops in the pillow before bed, and it aids with good sleep. The amount of this product is 750 rupee for 10 ml of the product. You can dilute this oil 5 to 6 drops into any other carrier oil in a dark glass jar and then use it on your skin and hair for best results. This one is Rosemary essential oil. It is also from the brand Organic Harvest. It is a 10 ml bottle and it comes with the price of 310 rupees for 10 ml of product. I have completed this bottle and I am just showing it for reference. It was used as a sacred remedy by the Greeks as the incense offered to gods. It is used for mental clarity and memory. It is considered as a divine oil by the ancient people. It is used for preventing hair loss. Rosemary used as an oil for stimulating hair growth. It also lightens the dark spots and blemishes on the skin. And as usual, use with any carrier oil to get the results. This one is curry leaf essential oil from the brand Organic Harvest. This is a 10 ml bottle. And curry leaf essential oil is best hair growth remedy used in ancient India, and now also many people use oils infused with curry leaves to promote hair growth and also to reduce hair fall. Curry leaf essential oil prevents premature graying of hair and it promotes stronger and thicker hair. It can eliminate dandruff also. The aroma is really nice. It can also be applied on skin like any other essential oil. This one comes with a price of 495 rupee for a 10 ml bottle. I use this on my hair as a hair oil. How I do is, I take a jar full of coconut oil. I will dilute 5 to 6 drops of curry leaves essential oil and also add 5 to 6 drops of rosemary essential oil, and the most powerful oil is ready to use. This is Geranium essential oil. This is from the brand Sen Botanica, which is a famous brand. It comes in a 15 ml bottle with price 499 rupees. Geranium essential oil is one of my favorite essential oil due to the smell. It's a bit like rose, but it It's a little bit stronger smell than the rose essential oil, but it is very similar to the rose smell. It is said that the plant is originated in South Africa, Egypt, and later introduced to European countries. In Europe, this oil was used as an insect repellent and flavor in food and drink because its smell is very much sweet, and you can mix a tiny drop of geranium essential oil in your moisturizer or any oil and apply it all over your face. It is also used to reduce reducing acne. Hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.